Calling all SM fam! It's an awesome January as we celebrate Diligyang 2025. Diri lang sa SM City Iloilo, your ultimate destination for the best Dinagyang Festival experience. They got the best deals with their dine and shop from January 1 until 31 at SM City, Food Court, or Food Hall with any local restaurant with a poster of Dine and Shop. Let's enjoy the best batchoy of Iloilo by Popoy's Batchoy. Keep your mall food tenant receipt, and now let's proceed to the SM Store Iloilo. Our target is men's sales items. Get 100 pesos off with a minimum purchase of 1,500 for single receipt spend at SM Store Iloilo. Maghalabi na shopping spree para sa best deals from formal, denim, casual, teens, and a lot more. Also available for Dinagyang merch and souvenirs by Kultura. Shop for your everyday favorites in store. Simply present any mall food tenant receipt to avail for the offer. Don't forget to use your SMAC card to earn points and exclusive rewards. The ultimate shopping and entertainment destination in the region. At SM Store, your everyday store. Hagada na ang friends and family, mag-shop ka magdagyang. Once again, this is Drinking Nose, your Ilonggo vlogger, Kita Kits!